It was one of Johannesburg's most severe storms, a day before New Year's Eve. In Lenasia, south of Johannesburg, the roof of Food Lovers Market collapsed, and across the road, Trade Route Mall had to evacuate shoppers when a ceiling panel caved in. It's a day the mall's owner, Yasin Valley, is unlikely to forget.
It was a 1-in-100-year storm. So it's a storm that wasn't meant to happen to begin with. And it's very unlikely for South Africa or Johannesburg particularly to experience hail in December, which is still midsummer. And the hail fell. And it wasn't big hail, it was small hail, but it was a lot of hail. And the volume was so much that the hailstones sort of iced in the gutters because of the volume. And because of the weight of that hail, it brought the roof down. And when it brought the roof down in certain parts of the center, it took all the services with it.
The mall was open for business the following day. Some stores experienced compromised trading. Food Lovers Market was relocated within the mall, and a brand new building is now under construction where the old one stood. Getting operations back on track was key after the storm, and that's where insurers played a crucial role.
They've employed the quantity surveyors on site. They've employed some of the professional teams on site, and it's teams that we've built relationships with, and we'll continue those relationships while we go into the repair process and the building process, and that has given birth to even bigger projects and better projects for us. So the support from the insurance company was phenomenal. The support going forward from the insurance company is still phenomenal, and I can only say that I'm glad I'm insured with them.
In Johannesburg this week, weather patterns and insurance protection gaps are some of the things on the agenda at a gathering of insurance experts hosted by the United Nations Environment Programme. The focus is on strengthening the industry's ability to contribute to sustainable development across the continent.
There is a problem globally that is growing, and it's something that we want to address. And it's very acute in Africa because also there are many developing countries, and there's a need for greater access to affordable insurance.
120 organizations worldwide have adopted the 4 principles for sustainable insurance since their launch at the 2012 UN Conference on Sustainable Development. Hasina Katrada, SABC News, Johannesburg.